येता त्या विधानसभा सत्रांत सगळ्या विरोधी पक्षांचे आमदार एकठांय येतले आनी सगळे सातूय आमदार गोंयकारांच्या प्रस्नांचेर सरकाराक जाप विचारतले. हे खातीर जॉयंट फ्लोर मॅनेजमेंट स्ट्रॅटेजी तयार केल्या, विरोधी पक्ष फुडारी युरी आलेमाव सांगता. मंगळारा जाल्ल्या कामगार सल्लागार समितीच्या बसकेन विधानसभेन येवपी प्रश्नांची उत्तरां वेळा भितर दिवप, कॉलिंग अटेन्शन वाडोवप, अतारांकीत प्रश्नांक घट करप आनी सगळे विरोधी आमदारांनी मेळोन एकत्रीत प्रश्न मांडप हाची चर्चा जाली, युरीन सांगले.
Goans like when the opposition unites, and I believe that because of Goans and issues related to Goans, we will definitely bring this up before this house. We will definitely, we might be 7 in number, they have 33 today. जे म्हाका दिसता पैसा फेको तमाशा देखो म्हणून हे डिफेक्शन जाल्ले मनीस, पूण हे डिफेक्ट जालो मनीस आज जे कोके घेवन आज तेय मुळे तांकां धोका जालो. आफ्टर टेकिंग कोका दे हॅव बीन गिवन धोका. हे म्हाका दिसता जे आज सरकारान जे चलता, complete failure in the administration. Every minister hates their own department. There is no coordination. Post facto approval घेऊन सगळी decision जाते. Definitely, as one united opposition, I think that it should be the flavor of the season. That assembly भितर pro Goa, pro Goan issues will be taken, and we are definitely sure that we will expose this government. All the MLAs are together to expose the wrongdoings of this government, because it is what we have to do. As opposition MLAs, this is what we have to do. We cannot flirt with the ruling benches. We have to oppose what is not in the interest of Goa. And definitely, you will see that whatever said and done, that all 7 of us will be together opposing this issue.